Hello guys, welcome back. So I'm going to be explaining how the Memefi coin works. So I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about the Memefi coin. So the first thing you need to know is this image on your screen is the enemy, or just call it the image, but it is the enemy. So all you need to do is to tap on the enemy. Okay, let me show you them. This is the first one that you're going to see when you open it first. This is the level 1. So when you kill the level 1, you will move to level 2. Level 1 has a life of 5,000. So when you keep clicking on it, the life will keep reducing till the enemy dies. Then you move to level 2. And when you pass this level, you're going to receive 10,000 coin from this level. So that's how it's done. So all you need to do is to click on the image. You can see I am clicking on it and it is going times 15. But when you start, it will be times 1. Do you understand? So you keep clicking on it. You can see that the life is reducing. Mine is 6 million because the lifespan is 6 million because I'm in level 6. But yours will be 5,000 when you get started. So you just click on it, keep clicking on it. You can see the life is reducing. Keep clicking on it, it will be reducing. I believe you understand this part now. So that's how it works. So now click on boosters. When you click on boosters, you can increase the damage. You can see the damage. You can increase it very well. Okay, let me explain the boats first. You see these boats, you can activate your boats and it will mine for 3 hours. After that 3 hours, when you claim it, you see activate. When you claim it, you can see now it is counting because I have activated it. So when you claim it, it is going to reduce the number of coin that it mined from the life of the enemy. You can see mine is 259,200, but yours won't be like this because you need to upgrade your damage in order to have more in this your boat, in order for your boat to mine more for you. I believe you understand. So you need to increase the damage, increase the energy cap, increase the recharge speed. So once you increase it, they are going to give you more coin in your boat, and you will have to mine. You can mine for 3 times a day, 3 times daily. So once you claim the first one, you activate again. You claim the second one, that is after 3 hours, you activate again, then you claim the third one. So it will help you to increase the life of your enemy. That's how the boats work. You can also use the turbo. When you activate the turbo is going to help you to mine times 10 of what you usually get when you tap on the enemy. That's what it will be giving you, times 10, and you can use it for 3 times. Then this recharge, once you tap all what you have in your normal bar, let's say you have 1,000 per se and you've tapped all of it, is going to refill it. Then you start typing again. Okay, let me activate. I've activated the turbo. So what I'm doing now is I am clicking on the image or the enemy and the glass or the bottle. I'm clicking on the enemy and the bottle so as to activate it. So you keep clicking on the enemy and clicking on the bottle. It is going to activate, but click on it. Just keep clicking on the button. When it activates, you're going to see that the screen will turn purple, but not totally purple, but you will know that it has been activated because you will see around it or on your screen. So you click on the image, click on the bottle, keep clicking on the image and the bottle, click on the image and the bottle continuously until it activates. So let's keep doing it till it activates. All right, it has activated now. You can see my clicks are now 150, which means my taps are being multiplied by 10. My tap normally is 15, so 15 times 10 is 150. But if you that just started, yours is 1, I guess, So it will be 1 times 10. That will be 10. Your tap is going to be 10. But once you keep increasing, then your taps will be increasing as well. So mine is just 150, and it will help you to decrease the life of your enemy very fast than the normal tap that you usually do. So you just keep tapping on it. So now click on N. When you click on N, you can see some tasks here that you will complete. When you complete them, you claim the coins. You can also click on View Archive. You will see some tasks there. Claim the coins here by completing the task that are here. Once you complete it, you claim your coin. So let's go back. So after you're done in N, you can go to invite. When you go to invite, you can invite your friends, send a link to your friends to join, and you'll be getting bonus coin depending on the level that you are. If you are in level 1, you'll be getting 12,005 per referral. You can see the difference. So that's what you'll be getting for inviting. So recently they just added the wallets. You can see airdrop wallet. They just added it newly. So you can click on it, click on create wallet, create your wallet, write out your phrase, write it out in your jotter, and also screenshot it and save it in your Google Drive so that you will not lose it. So this is all about Memefi coin. This is all you need to know about Memefi coin. Okay, there is also daily special tap. I do post it in the group, so you can follow it and claim more coins. Sometimes 2 million coins, sometimes 1 million, sometimes 4 million. So it depends. So that's all about the Memefi coin.